Welcome back to Fact Encyclopedia. Is coral alive? Let's find out, but first, new words. Coral, coral. Colony, colony. Polyps, polyps. Stretch out, stretch out. Feed on, drifting, drifting. Tentacles, tentacles. Surface, peppered with, rooted to. Fixed spot. Anemone, paralyze. Coral might look like colorful rocks, but in fact, it is a colony or group of tiny living animals called polyps. During the day, the coral looks lifeless. At night, however, thousands of polyps stretch out their tentacles to catch and feed on little animals drifting in the water. A coral reef's surface is peppered with thousands of polyps. They are rooted to a fixed spot, but can still wave their tentacles. An open polyp looks like an anemone. A ring of stinging tentacles catch and paralyze their prey. Then the tentacles moves the prey to the mouth at the center. Rocky skeletons. Much of the coral is made from hard, rocky skeletons, which protects the soft parts of the animals inside. Deep sea animals. More than 3,000 feet, or 1,000 meters below the surface, the ocean is bitterly cold and pitch black. Many strange deep sea creatures are perfectly suited to make this harsh place their home. Dumbo octopus. Unlike other octopuses, the Dumbo octopus has ear-like flaps that help it swim. It lives about 10,000 feet, or 3,000 meters, below the ocean surface. Fangtooth. This fish has teeth so big, it cannot completely close its jaws. It grabs prey with its fangs and swallows the fish whole. Anglerfish. The female anglerfish uses a flowing lantern on her head to attract other fish. They swim forward to the light and are quickly gulped up. The Pelican Eagle. Food is hard to find in the deep sea. To survive, this fish uses its enormous jaws to scoop up schools of prey, such as shrimp, all at once. All right, everybody, that's all for today. We'll see you again next time. Thank you. Goodbye.